welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Coach Laudiaann, and in this video I'm actually going to share with you how to program your mind for success. Alright, and this is going to be really good. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to come back to my channel because I do upload videos all the time, and videos that I make, some of my videos I talk about how to develop a successful mindset, and then some of the videos I do talk about what I do online and about my business that I do. I do have a craft business and I do have an online business, and I've created actually I love YouTube very much too. YouTube is makes me happy whenever I make a video. So this is another video, and I'm always making videos every day. So thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel, listening to what I have to say. I'm excited today. This is a wonderful day. Well, today actually is a craft show that I'm going to be doing, and it is located in Huntington Beach, California. And so I'm making this video right now, but in a few hours I'll be at a craft show. So I wanted to talk about, in this video, I wanted to talk about how to program your mind for success. And I know a lot of people struggle with this, and so this is what I want to actually share, how you can reprogram your mind for success. Now, many of us, we have been brought up in different environments. Our lifestyle was different. It's all by the way we were raised by our parents. So our parents have put in us a program already that was set for life. Now, if you got it made, if your parents were wealthy, they were successful, they knew what to teach you, the values about life, how to become successful. But then there are those that don't know how to become successful. They have parents that would work 8-hour jobs, 12-hour shifts, trying to make ends meet, how to make money. And they weren't really good savers. They weren't actually taught to invest to become successful. So a lot of people without that knowledge, don't know, do struggle in life. And if that's you, if you have parents like that, like I did, guess what, guys? You can turn it around. You can actually program your mind for success. And how to do that? It is a mindset reset. All right. You got to go to a different direction. Instead of and stop the program where your life that you have had in the past. You have to cut that off, and then you got to reprogram your mind, set all over again. Okay? And you can do this. You can actually do this by the power of meditation, by setting goals, knowing a strong why you want to do things this way now. It's all it is you have to make that decision for yourself to make that change, to reprogram your mindset. All right, so you got to set yourself a clear goal. Now you got to be specific with that goal. All right, you got to when you're specific about that goal and doing this, your subconscious mind will then make changes to manifest it for you. All right, so you got to tell your subconscious mind, well, this is where I want to be here. And by meditating and picturing it in your subconscious mind, in visualizing it, and acting it out, and actually, I guess for me, when I do that, it actually stirs my faith to believe in it more of what I want. And by doing that and seeing it and acting it, you're actually calling it to pass. And it's, you know, the more you do it, the more you get better at it, and then voila, you'll get what you want. You'll get what you desire. All right. Whatever success, that goal that you've been believing. For example, I want to make $5,000 in the next 3 months. And you meditate on it, imagine it, visualize it, you know, be specific, and tell yourself how you're going to get there, and you know, develop a routine of a perfect life, what you want and where you want to go. All right, and then go for it, aim for it, and do what you need to take action to get there. All right. So, looking at pictures, imagining a picture in your mind, in your subconscious mind. Act as that you are there. Dress like it. You know, if you believe that you want to be a successful entrepreneur, then dress like a business entrepreneur. All right, talk to yourself positively, and the things that you have already. Bring what you want in the present tense. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Have that behavior of a wealthy attitude. All right, it's your behavior, your attitude. It's what you don't see, what you want, and you say it now. You know, that's actually going to take a total change in your life, because whatever you think is what you are. Did you get that? Whatever you think is what you are. As simple as that, you can change your life all around. So all your thoughts in your previous life has always been complex, okay? So reprogram your mindset, your lifestyle, and be specific what you want change. Okay, and this will actually help your subconscious mind will actually already automatically accept it, because once you visualize it, imagine it, and think about it all the time in your subconscious mind, you know, your subconscious mind is going to just lay it out for you in a plate, just like that. That's why a lot of people meditate. Meditation is a good thing to do because it helps you develop a strong inner you in your subconscious mind. And it will help you manifest your creativity. It'll help you manifest you become successful. All right, so work on your life. It all starts by making a positive statement about your desired future and your event, and bring it into present tense. All right. Remember, visualize, create a picture, act as if. How would you treat people? How would you organize yourself? How would you talk to yourself? All right. And the only thing you should never do is you should never say, I don't. Okay. Always say, I will do this in this certain amount of time. Or I weigh 110 pounds right now. That's a bold statement of saying, I am 110 pounds. And even if you don't feel like you are 110 pounds, or in reality you're not, but if you're confessing that you are 110 pounds, it will come to pass, because your body, your subconscious mind, is going to work on that for you to become 110 pounds. All right. Everything you have to bring it to pass will come to pass. So visualize it, act on it, for success, to reprogram your mind. It is a reset mindset. Alright, thank you guys for listening to my YouTube channel. Come back to hear the latest video, updated videos that I will give to you all.